Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you making of Minion book cover. For this, take a yellow foam sheet, mark the size of the book on the foam sheet. And cut the extra pieces. Place the book in the center of the foam sheet, fold the extra sheet as shown. Stick it using a hot glue gun. Take a blue color foam sheet to make dress to the minion, so mark the width and height. Cut it. Draw the dress shape on it. Cut it. Take a black color foam strip. Place it at the position of eye. Draw a pocket on the blue color foam sheet and cut it. Cut 2 small circles from white foam sheet. Cut 2 other very small circles from black color foam sheet. Place them on the black color foam strip. If you feel it looks good, start sticking. Draw mouth on the black color foam sheet. Cut it and stick it. Finally, our Minion book is ready.